In this tutorial we shall explore dimensions and see that one can constrain certain numerical values with this type of object. Dimensions can be created from a relative point to another point. Begin by creating a simple point using the Rhino command. Then create a relative point using the RhinoParametrics command. The creation dialog offers various methods of creation. Choose from relative point. This type of point requires another point as a reference. Select the point we just created. Next, define a direction and a length. The new relative point is shown, as is a dimension. The relative point and the dimension constitute a single object. The process of creating dimensions can be automated. Open the dialog showing the options of the parametric project and uncheck the second dimension creation box. Now draw a profile using a polyline. RhinoParametrics automatically creates dimensions when we define points. If two points were to be positioned parallel to a Cartesian axis, RhinoParametrics will automatically attempt to create a relative point and hence a dimension. Now create a box and see how to constrain the height of the box, which is a numerical value, to a dimension. Edit the box. A checkbox is located next to the box's numerical parameters fields. By unchecking this box, a dimension object can be selected, either the dimension or its corresponding line, which will constrain the box's parameters to the value of the dimension object. Here it is, the box is updated, and it is now 15 high, which is the value of the dimension object. Now extrude a curve and in the same way constrain its height to the dimension. Open the extrusion dialog. Uncheck the checkbox in front of the length field and select the dimension. The extrusion updates following the dimension's value. The value of a dimension can be automatically edited by double-clicking on it. Change the value and note that all its constrained objects update accordingly. Now carry out a Boolean subtraction to subtract the box from the extruded profile. Select extrusion as the reference object, then the box as the sole object to be subtracted. To better see the result of the Boolean subtraction, hide the reference objects directly from the tree. Reference objects can be hidden automatically when creating a new object. This option is found in the Parametric Projects option dialog. Now edit the polyline and add a fillet. As expected, first extrusion and then the Boolean subtraction object update accordingly. The model is now finished.